Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, ayan, para sa mga earth signs, this is your reading in the next 7 days from the time na mapanood nyo tong reading na to, dahil ito ay isang timeless reading. So anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. Okay, let's see. And paalala lang, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar, link on the description, or sa comment section, or link in bio. Okay? So let's see. For Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay. Ooh, there's joy, happiness. Sagittarius energy is about optimism. So some of you, earth signs, mas positibo yung okay, mas positibo yung pananaw nyo sa buhay ngayon. I think you have a lot of plans. You want to expand, explore opportunities. Ito kasing buhok ko na nagalaw. Yung electric. Okay. Yeah, about opportunities. And this rainbow is so beautiful kasi talagang maaring nagkaroon ka ng mga challenges in the past, but now you are seeing opportunities around you na hindi kumbaga parang nagkaroon na ng liwanag, no? And rainbow is about, there's a rainbow always after the rain, 'di ba? So very positive ang inyong energy ngayon. Expansive, no? Pwedeng ayan, kung may maingay kayo naririnig, pasensya na. Ayan ang aking bunso. Minsan kasi gusto niya talaga mag-ingay kung kailan meron akong recording na ginagawa. Okay, anyway. Ooh, Taurus energy. So this is specifically more on mga Taurus, lalo na may mga Taurus placements. But this is about taking care of yourself, like, treating yourself. If you treat mo yung sarili mo, like, maaring you will go to the spa, practicing self-love, self-care. Uh, maaring meron kang mga gagawin for yourself, like buying some things, no, na you think will help you to improve your life or your finances. Let's see what else. You have the Elder of Wands. So this is someone na very passionate sa kanyang ginagawa or sa mga bagay na gusto niyang i-explore sa buhay niya. I also see na maaring in the next 7 days you will have travel opportunities. Because Sagittarius energy is about, traveling, exploration for some of you, and also about expansion ng knowledge. So, maaring yung iba mag-aaral, meron kayong idadagdag na, kaalaman to improve your life. You also have the Elder of Swords. So, talagang puro mga elders. Okay. So, this is an energy of someone. This can be you or the person or people that you are dealing with. But, maaring meron ka ring decision making na kailangan gawin or meron kang kailangang iwasan para ma-achieve mo yung goals mo. Kasi pwedeng meron kang distraction eh. So, something or someone might be distracting you sa mga goals mo. So, pay attention to that. Kung ano yung nang distract sa'yo. This can be anything. This can be a person in your life. This can be a situation or like pwedeng a form of unhealthy habits, distraction. Like for example, instead na meron kang gagawin ngayon, hindi mo siya magawa kasi na-distract ka na sa ibang bagay. Like, na-distract ka na sa kakascroll sa social media, 'di ba? So, pay attention do sa mga nagdi-distract sa'yo sa mga goals mo or gusto mong ma-achieve matapos in the next 7 days. You have the Eight of Cups. You are finally leaving a situation na hindi na align sa goals mo. Three of Cups. You are going to be more out in the open, meet new people, meet new friends, and pwede rin may reunion, no? For some of you, this can be a reunion with family, friends, na may celebrate. Meron kayong celebrate. You have the Champion of Swords. So there's an energy of someone who wants to talk to you or gusto mong makausap. It's either gusto kang makausap or gusto mong makausap. Dahil maraming energy ng ano rito, tao sa buhay mo. So I think in the next 7 days, you will be, talking more to a lot of people or dealing with a lot of people. With the Three of Wands, this is expansion. Things are, maaring may opportunities ka outside of your comfort zone. Let's say, sa ibang bansa. Maaring yung nag-open sa'yo. Kaya ngayon, you are thinking about the decision na kailangan mong gawin. Whether bibigyan mo to ng chance or hindi. But I feel like meron ka mga i-consider, no? In the next 7 days kung uh, paano mo to didiskartehan. Kasi I also see na yung iba sa inyo hindi kayo ganun kasigurado sa desisyon ninyo. Oo. But you know what? Whatever is outside of your comfort zone, that's when I see na nandoon yung yung success for you. Pareho sila three. Okay? So, expansion and this is about celebration. So, meron ka isa-celebrate kasi mas nag-expand, nagkaroon ka ng more opportunities, mas kumbaga, nag-grow. Okay? Merong growth for you. So, that is your reading. Earth signs, thank you so much. See you again.